What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have a price update, price prediction on this crypto called Sentinel Protocol, also known as UPP, which has been gaining 35% in value in the last 24 hours, making it just above 8 cents. So as you can see, a major peak in value took place very early this morning, and then ever since then it's been fluctuating around the 7 to 8 cents target, but has been slowly and steadily gaining value. So what I'm going to be going through in today's video is where is this crypto heading to next? Is there a crypto worth investing into? Should you avoid it? Is it too late to buy into it? So on and so on. And looking at its predictions over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, how high and how low can this crypto go? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are looking at the Coinbase website at the moment, and in the last hour itself it managed to gain over 7% in value, which is absolutely crazy. Again, 7% may not seem like a lot, but when it's within 1 hour, trust me guys, it is a huge percentage increase. Over the last day, 34%. Over the week, 7%. We've seen quite a major drop here with the crypto crash that took place about a couple of days ago, dropping all the way down to 5 cents, and yeah, has managed to recover quite quickly. And over the month it is just about 1% down, so yeah, nothing too major. Going into the CoinMarketCap website now, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 1,600% up in the last 24 hours, making it $111 million, which is still a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on UPP at the moment. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading the crypto right now, as it's gaining a lot of attention, a lot more hype, as it's one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, but for now I'm just going to hide it, and I'm going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. And yes guys, we do have the SMA indicator, which is the purple line running across the chart, which is currently valuing Sentinel Protocol at 0.07901, and it is trading just slightly higher value at 0.08193, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that, just a little disclaimer guys, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have quite of a mixed signal. We've got the blue line looking bullish, going in a positive direction. However, the orange line looks like it is going in a straight line, but if you look very closely we can see it's slanting towards the negative direction, meaning we do have a mixed signal. But the reason is the blue line is looking a little bit more steep, going in a positive direction, so an overall increase in value is expected over the coming hours. But again, it's not going to be anything major. It's not going to be a huge bump or a huge bull run or anything like that. It is going to be a minimal increase in value. Do expect dips in between, as you guys may or may not know. I've been saying it since day one. Whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, exactly like what's taken place to UPP, I'm expecting it to drop back down in value, take a little breather, and the exact same applies to this crypto. So I'm expecting it to drop down to about the 7 cents target before it picks back up in value, and potentially heads about around the 9 cents target towards, let's say, over the next 5-6 hours. But the overall outcome towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, seems to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Now we're looking a little bit more bullish. We've got both the lines looking positive. Again, the orange line is slanting towards the positive direction, when the blue line is looking much more clearer that is going in a positive direction. So over the next few days, do expect more increases in value on Sentinel Protocol. So towards the end of next week we should expect it to potentially head towards the 10 cents target, either hitting it or just about hitting the 10 cents target, because we have to bear in mind that there are going to be dips in between as well. Dips are always part of the process. So over the next 7-8 days, that doesn't mean we're going to be hitting green days every single day. Of course not. We are going to have red days, we are going to have green days. It's going to be a mixture of ups and downs, but the overall outcome at this point seems to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side, so hopefully going towards the 10 cents target. Now Moving on to the daily chart, now we've got even more of a mixed signal. We've got the blue line looking quite bullish, going in a positive direction, and the orange line going towards the negative direction, meaning an overall mixed chart in percentage is expected over the coming weeks. So I'm talking about late July to early August. We should expect it to more or less fluctuate around the 7 to 8 cents target with very minimal dips and peaks in between. However, in this case, I'm talking about 7-8 weeks ahead, which obviously anything can happen between that time. Any updates or news that come across that can have a potential impact on the value of Sentinel protocol, anything like that, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far we are looking a little bit more on the positive side. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring up the Fibonacci scale. But again, one of the cryptocurrencies that has the most effect on the crypto market is indeed Bitcoins, guys. So what I've put together is a Telegram group chat which you guys can join using the link in the description box down below, where I'll be showing you guys daily price updates and predictions on Bitcoin, on what to expect from the crypto market in general and from Bitcoin itself. Is it moving in a positive or negative direction? And also showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. It is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount here is only valid for the first 100 members that join, and over half the spaces have already gone. So there is literally a limited amount of space left before it jumps back up to $29.99. So what does this include? You're going to get put into two group chats. One is where I'm showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. The other one is just a general chat where you guys can ask questions, discuss cryptocurrencies, new projects, and that is also where I'll give you guys daily predictions on Bitcoin every single morning, sometimes even twice a day, depending on how volatile the crypto market is, and giving you guys analysis and predictions on other cryptocurrencies that you guys request for in the group chat. But yeah, any questions, any queries you guys may have before you sign up, simply send me a DM on Instagram and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. If not, once again, the link is in the description box down below. So back to Sentinel protocol. So as you can see, we are trading in the red zone, and we dropped into the red zone in late April this year, and ever since then we've just been getting worse and worse and worse. The last time we were in the red zone was all the way back in January 2022. So as you can see, earlier this year is when we were trading in the red zone. We dropped here for a couple of days, peaked back up, dropped back down, peaked back up. So it's been quite volatile, but right now we are very clearly in the red zone, and for us to hit the green zone, we're going to have to hit at least 12 cents per coin, which we are not too far off from. So maybe towards the end of this year we may be able to hit into the green zone, but so far most of this year we are very likely we're going to stay in the red zone, and then towards the end of the year, maybe around late November, December time, we may be able to get into the green zone. But yeah, these are my predictions and my takes on Sentinel protocol, guys. Let me know what your expectations, what your predictions are. I want to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. So comment down below and I'll be reacting to your comments in my next Sentinel protocol update. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. A massive thank you and a massive shout out to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. A massive thank you and a massive shout out to all of you guys, as it helps me out a lot and it means a lot to me as well, because I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. But yeah, thank you for watching, guys. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.